Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Ipsy. Or Ipsy Plus, I guess. So this is $25 a month. If I am wrong, you know I will put it on the screen. And you get full-sized beauty products, skincare, makeup, all that sort of stuff. Also, just a quick reminder, I do have a giveaway going on. Both of those links will be down below. It's a two-part giveaway. And there is also information down below if you care to read it. So let's get into Ipsy. So I open it and this is what I see. My boxes are always kind of jacked, but here we go. Let's see. I pull out, wow, that's looking a little bare today. And it says bury yourself. August, bury yourself. Holy cow. Okay, well, let's get into it. So you get your little card and it tells you what the products are and how much they are worth. I'll grab the first thing, and that are these brushes. And those are just beautiful. I will be keeping these. Oh my goodness. So these are Farrah brushes and they retail for $50. Wow. So those are just so soft. And I absolutely love this detailing on the bottom of them as I drop them all. I don't know, those are just super, super pretty, and I am a sucker for pretty things. So I will be keeping these. The next thing I am pulling out, and Ipsy is probably by far one of my favorite boxes. The next thing I am pulling out is the Ahava. It's a hydration cream mask. And this retails for $33. It just says infused with Dead Sea water. This mineral-rich mask helps brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. So that's cool. And it's something that you're just supposed to use once or twice a week. So that is nice. The next, ooh, that's super pretty. The Smith & Colt Nail Lacquer in Pillow Pie, and it values at $18. That is just a really pretty, pretty pink, and I love how nice and sexy this packaging is. That's going to look really, really cute just sitting on my vanity. That is so pretty. The next thing I am pulling out is a Finding Ferdinand lipstick. The outside is really dirty. I don't know, I can't really tell with my old eyes what is on the packaging. I don't know if it's maybe lipstick or if it's just maybe sawdust. I can't really tell. It wiped off fairly easy, but it does look like it kind of like smeared on my thumb, so I'm not entirely sure, but let's ooh. Okay, so that is the color of my lipstick, and it's just really, really pretty. It does look like it has some sweat bubbles going on there. I don't know if you can see those, but I mean, it happens. But that is just a really, 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 really pretty red. I am super happy about that. And the next thing I am pulling out is a palette by Tarte, and this is the Dream Big Eyeshadow Palette. And we'll open it up and we will give it a gander, but I'm not really a huge fan of Tarte. For me, Tarte seems to be mostly a one-note kind of a brand, and it's broken, and that was what was all over the lipstick. Damn. Well, it's broken. I'm going to have to contact Ipsy and see if they will replace it for me. Damn, that sucks. Okay, so I was actually going to pass this along and stick it in the giveaway, but now I know what was all over the lipstick. So it smells good. It smells like chocolate, but yeah, it's destroyed, and I'm getting it all over the bed. So that's what it looks like. It smells really good. It smells like chocolate, but I will see if they will replace this for me, and if they do, then I will throw it in the giveaway that is going on right now. Wow, what a mess. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this messy unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.